All right, welcome friends. Welcome to Coin Money, Crypto Money Guru. And today I have a very positive news. We will start with the my request. Please subscribe the channel, share the video, make a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon. And also make your good comments. So whenever I post videos and give you detailed information about crypto market, you get the instant notification. And with your help, with your subscription, it will give me encouragement to make more and more deep analysis videos. And today we will talk about first positive news. First, we will start with the fear and greed index. Right now we are at 38 number. Yesterday we were at 28 number, and extreme fear was last week 13 number, and right now it's correcting. Its things are in positive and things are in good shape right now. And now we have some positive news. Then I will tell you the coin of the day, and I will also tell you the prediction of Bitcoin and coin of the day's prediction, and how much money you can make in those coins. So first, billionaire Paul Tudor Jones says, I like Bitcoin, will go all in on inflation trades if Fed says things are good. So more and more we have positive news. MicroStrategy is selling up to $1 billion MSTR stock to buy Bitcoin. So another news we have, Russian foreign minister states crypto might play a significant role in settlements. So many things are. Tanzania president wants central bank chief to prepare for cryptocurrency. Every bank, every country, Europe raises 20 unicorns this year, including crypto companies. So everywhere there is positive. Everywhere now it's positive. Latin American countries eye Bitcoin adoption after El Salvador passed Bitcoin law. More countries eye Bitcoin adoption, and a look at how Second Life's Linden dollar had kickstart Bitcoin value. G7 leaders asked Russia to urgently identify those who abuse cryptocurrency in ransomware attacks. So things are in good shape now. And now first I want to tell you the price prediction. First we will see the market, our beloved King Coin and our beloved King Coin market, where the market will be in future. Right now we are at 1.70 trillion. It's 12.79% up, and Bitcoin value is around 39,762 USD. Ethereum is 2,521. Our beloved Cardano is at $1.55. Mostly markets are in green zone, and it's now some mixed behavior it's showing. And now we have a coin. First I want to tell you that what will be the future of our King Coin. King Coin, as per my prediction, it will definitely go to 100,000 mark. 100,000 US dollar mark. It will be there very soon. So stay invested, or if you missed the train, then you can again ride the train. So now we have coin of the day. Coin of the day is NKN. What is NKN? NKN is a blockchain coin mineable platform enterprise solution. Current price is it's 30 cent, and already it is listed on around best crypto exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Huobi Global, and 28 marketplaces. It is right now listed. It is from in the crypto market around from mid 2018, but it's most undervalued coin right now. Nobody gave attention to this coin, but once it will get attention because they have not worked very good on their social media platforms. So that's why they didn't get so much, didn't able or didn't succeed to get so much attention like other coin. But once their team will uh, correct its social media platforms, when they will value its their social media platform, then this coin will make you good money in future. And what potential they have, I will tell you in the video, so please be continue with my video. And its higher price is around $1.31 on 8th of April 2021. And now we come to the NKN website. What is NKN? NKN is an infrastructure for decentralized internet. NKN is a new kind of peer-to-peer network connectivity protocol and ecosystem powered by novel public blockchain. It uses economic incentives to motivate internet users to share network connections and utilize unused bandwidth. Welcome to the new internet. So here, those who have unused bandwidth, those who have good bandwidth, unused bandwidth, they can share that bandwidth with this NKN network and can make money, and they are supporting the network. As they are supporting the network, they are building the infrastructure for other cryptocurrencies who want to use the decentralized internet with the system of NKN. So lots of companies are coming, and these all green zones where you are able to see these all green zones, they have their network, the biggest blockchain network in the world, 83,531 nodes. The new kind of a network, it's easy to use, optimized routing, private and secure delivery solution for NKN's ecosystem and mobile, all in one NKN mobile solution. And they have lots of services regarding mobile, millions of loads, aggregated high speed, zero servers, no centralized servers they have. Fully is peer-to-peer and decentralized with no need to develop and run centralized servers. So they also have messaging without borders. N Mobile is the new kind of decentralized, secure and anonymous messaging platform by NKN blockchain technology. So it's anonymous, nobody can control, nobody can see, nobody can steal your data. It's totally decentralized, 100% decentralized, 100% secure, 100% anonymous. Every N-Mobile client in the NKN network communicate through an anonymous random generated ID, no backtracking to your device possible. So lots of benefits they are giving with these types of features. So now it's time for their social media. Their team is not giving so much attention to social media. That's why they are not able to get attention from buyers and from traders. Already it is listed on Coinbase, Binance, Huobi, companies which work with. Iquique is the world's leading online movie and video streaming website offering TV, drama, movies, variety shows, animation and other quality content. China Mobile, they are working with China Mobile, they are working with Synology, and lots of other partnerships they have, but they have not given so much attention to their social media. They only have 4,500 followers on Discord and only have Telegram. They have 6,632 persons. So it's their weaker part, so they must improve their social media presence. So that's why so they can get attention from investors and buyers and traders. And now it's time for where the future is, when everything will be in right zone, in green mode, then the NKN will be around $3 to $4 at that time, and our beloved King coin will be more than 100,000 US dollar. So you will be able to see your money, if you invest it at this price around 30 cent, or if you are able to pick this grab this coin or get this coin at 25 cent or in between 25 cent or 26 cent, then your money will be around $3 to $4. It means it will be around 10 to 12 times from your investment. So go for it, it's a good investment. But before investing, do your own research, because it's your money, it's your risk. So before investing, do your own research to make good money in crypto market, because you already know that crypto market is very volatile. And if you like the video, please share the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, hit the thumbs up, and make a good comment. And please don't forget to subscribe. It's I do very hard work to give you lots of detailed analysis, and it will take only your 20 to 25 seconds by to hit the subscribe button, to hit the thumbs up button, to make a good comment, to share the video with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram. And thank you. Alvida. Bye bye.